So the next commandment in my 10 commandments of Amazon is about competitors. And at first, when I got started with Amazon publishing, I thought that maybe there'll be another white knight to save me from Amazon, because clearly there were some issues that I and many other publishers were encountering. But eventually I had to give up hope. This particular chart's from a few years ago, but it's still very relevant. And basically, at the time, Amazon controlled about half of the US retail e-commerce market. That number's probably even bigger by now. And if you're thinking, well, oh, this orange bit, that will help out. That's another competitor who can compete with Amazon. And actually, that's not true. This is other. So this orange bit is actually probably thousands or even millions of little slices of the e-commerce marketplace. And the only ones who are a little bit big are like eBay, Apple, and Walmart. And they're not that big compared to Amazon itself. And you may ask, well, why is this happening? You know, what's causing all of these competitors to really not really do well against Amazon? There's a whole bunch of reasons for it. Cultural problems, for instance, Apple moves really slow. Other companies, they have different priorities, especially during the COVID pandemic and recessions and other things that pop up. Oftentimes, they don't want to deal with independent publishers or small sellers. I found that to be the case, for instance, with Walmart, not only with my books, but also with other things that I sell. And then some companies out there, they're really too greedy, or they're just not competent at all. And it's pretty depressing when you run into that, but you know, that's something that you shouldn't have to deal with if you encounter it. But I do encourage people, especially publishers, to look at some of the bright spots in the landscape. They include things like independent bookstores, Shopify, which is a way you can sell your books online using your own web URL, as well as Ingram back channels. And I'm talking specifically about Ingram Spark or Lightning Source to sell your books. And Ingram is a really special company in the book world because they do have lines of business that Amazon hasn't developed that well. And it gives you an alternative to using Amazon for certain types of sales.
I hope this video helped you a lot. If it did, please consider liking it and sharing it with other people. And also, there are many more videos in the totally free Amazon Masterclass. Hope to see you soon.